and you end up like a fully functional Python package that is fully tested and with automatic quality checks and a CI pipeline that validates PR, commits to it, etc. The bit that I usually sell in this section of the training is that the better way of developing these machine learning applications and the way that you should aim if you want to have like a mature process to serve these machine learning applications is that you should be organizing your Python code as Python packages. You can modularize your architecture. So if there are components that you use repeatedly into with different products, it's easier to abstract them away into a different package that then your products can depend on to import a functionality that is specified only one, and you don't have like multiple things from within your company reinventing the wheel to connect to the same database that everyone uses. To manage the dependencies of your different projects, and there's multiple tools that are commonly used like pip, pipem, poetry. So this is a file system view of an example Python package. So this is a fast API. This is a code that implements a RESTful API that serves our packets and is written with a fast API. So it's importing functions from the predict module of the models of package of the animal shelter package, and then implements multiple endpoints that interact with the code from our package. So for example, this predict endpoint is accepting some input data that is uploaded as a file, and then it's generating predictions based on the model and the input data that we provide.